Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and it is a repeat, the BTBT. So, BTBT, of course, it's a crypto play, and it's one of those crypto plays with very, very few shares in the float. That's why this thing can be so dynamic. So, I'm looking over here in my single stock window, and I see 15 million shares in the float. That's why a stock, can, move like this one, whereas some of the other crypto plays, like the Maras and the Riots, not moving quite as dramatically. Just take a look at GBTC, the index, or we call it, I guess, the de facto ETF for the crypto, and look what it's doing. Look what GBTC is doing. Okay, so crypto is, I don't know what Bitcoin is right now. I don't know what the price of it is right now, and I don't trade Bitcoin as such, but I do trade the Bitcoin stocks, and BTBT being one of them. And that definitely, in fact, this could, who knows where this is going to go, the BTBT. The only thing is there is some resistance, maybe at around, if I'm looking at the monthly chart, I see 1902 is the next high looking left on the monthly chart. I'll show you what that looks like. So you can just sort of see right there. I think that's, right there is 1902, getting very close to that. After that, you've got 1949, and after that, look at this. This is, of course, when this one went absolutely bonkers. I mean, it got all the way up to $33 before it slid all the way down. Where did it get to? From 30. I mean, guys, this is, look at the move. It basically dropped 90%, 33 down to 3 over the 6 months or so. Climbing back again. This is, of course, when crypto was in disarray. So anyway, be interesting to see where this goes after today. Will it take out this 19? Will it start to approach next week this $30 level? So this definitely was the stock of the day. Now, test drive is starting Monday. So in the email you're getting, you will see a link to sign up for the test drive. It'll cost you $11.11 for the 10 trading days. The live data will start on Monday, and that'll go so that's August the 9th to August the 20th. You'll actually have access to the program, though, about an hour after the market closes today. So again, go to my homepage too, if you go to the education section, I would absolutely take a look at the 20 lessons. All right, and if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see educational videos. So you should take a look at that so you can get at least somewhat prepared for Monday morning. Don't start off completely from scratch. Take a look and get somewhat prepared. All right, everybody. So let me just get rid of, I'll keep this up here. I'll open the room. Sorry, I'll open the room at, here we go. I'll open the room Monday morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, getting all set for the test drive. So have a great weekend, everybody. And again, if you're part of the test drive, study a little bit, and so you can get prepared for it. Have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday morning at 9 o'clock. Bye-bye.